When it comes to redefining the art of motorcycle customization, few workshops do it better than Unik Motorcycles. Known for their remarkable blend of creativity and craftsmanship, the Portuguese duo of Tiago Goncalves and Luis Costa have once again proven why they stand among the best in the business. Their latest creation, aptly named Geisha, is based on the mighty Yamaha XJR1300, and it's a true masterpiece drenched in neo-retro elegance. The Yamaha XJR1300 is already a legendary platform, revered for its raw power, air-cooled four-cylinder engine, and muscular stance. But under the meticulous touch of Unik Motorcycles, this beast has transformed into a work of art that perfectly balances aggression with sophistication. The project, dubbed Geisha, manages to capture both the strength and grace that its name suggests. The most noticeable transformation starts at the rear. The original subframe was discarded and replaced with a completely custom looped design, handcrafted to achieve tighter and cleaner proportions. Sitting atop it is a plush black leather saddle that combines comfort with minimalism, offering just enough space for two. Beneath it, an LED light strip is seamlessly integrated into the tubing, giving the rear end a futuristic glow while maintaining the bike's vintage soul. The license plate has been relocated to a swing arm-mounted bracket for a cleaner aesthetic, while the rear suspension now features premium adjustable Öhlins shock absorbers with progressive springs and piggyback reservoirs, a clear nod to performance as much as design. The attention to detail extends to the front suspension too, where the factory forks have been replaced with a pair of inverted units held by custom triple clamps. Unik Motorcycles also upgraded the braking system with new rotors, high-performance Tiago calipers, braided steel hoses, and a new master cylinder for improved feedback. The wheels were swapped out for replacement hoops wrapped with solid covers, enhancing the motorcycle's bold stance and giving it an unmistakable tough character. At the center of it all sits the original Yamaha fuel tank, which has been tastefully preserved and topped with a flush-mounted billet aluminum cap. The front end receives a sleek custom fender and a powerful LED headlight mounted below an Acewell digital dial. Completing the cockpit setup is a low-rise handlebar featuring adjustable levers, Rizoma reservoirs, Moto gadget grips, bar-end turn signals, and underslung mirrors. Every component chosen with precision to ensure both performance and visual harmony. The sound of the Geisha is just as mesmerizing as its appearance. A handcrafted stainless steel exhaust system provides a deep, refined note that perfectly complements the bike's muscular character. Finally, the entire build is finished in a distinctive color scheme, a subtle yet striking combination of tones that elevate the neo-retro theme. The Yamaha XJR1300 Geisha isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement of craftsmanship, passion, and artistry. It pays homage to the classic Japanese aesthetic of balance and refinement while embracing modern performance and technology. With this creation, Unik Motorcycles once again proves that true beauty lies in the details, and Geisha is the embodiment of that philosophy.